The graph below is the uniform probability density function for a friend who is X minutes late. Find the probability that the friend is between 25 and 30 minutes late. So a uniform probability density function is just a function where we have the probabilities that each thing occurs is just equally likely. So in this case, what we can do is basically just find the area. So if we're looking at between 25 and 30 minutes, looking at this rectangle here, we can just take the area and that's going to be our probability. So we're going to look at the probability that X is between 25 and 30 here. So that's going to be our width of our rectangle there is 5, and then our height here is going to be 1 over 30. So if we multiply those together, so 5 times 1 over 30, and then I can press math, enter, and then I'll convert it to a simplified fraction for us. So 1/6, or roughly about 0.17, so roughly about 17% there. So the next part here, we have it is 10 a.m. There is a 40% chance, or 40% probability the friend will arrive within how many minutes? So if we're looking here, we want we have a 40% probability, and we want to know within how many minutes. So we have our probability is 40, and we can do X times 1 over 30 and just kind of solve that equation out. So if we multiply both sides by 30, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 30. So 30 times 0.4, get 12, and then over here these will cancel, leaving us just with X. So our friend will arrive within 12 minutes there. So last part here, we want to find the probability that the friend is at least 22 minutes late. So mark it on our chart here. So we're looking at 22 minutes. So give or take there. I'm going to draw this down a little further. So that's 22. We want at least, so we want the area over here. We want the area in this rectangle here. I'll show you that region, right? So we have 22 and greater. So again, we can look at that. So X is at least 22. So X is greater than or equal to 22. So our width there is 8, and our height of our rectangle is 1 over 30. So when I multiply that there, we get math, enter, we get 4 over 15, or approximately 0.27, so roughly 27% there.